Yello X Supply Chain Solutions inaugurated its new Cebu head office located along Arellarno Boulevard at the North Reclamation Area in Cebu City, led by its chairman and CEO, Roberto D. Gothong, last Friday, May 20, 2022. Yello X is a technology company in the supply chain industry that aims to provide seamless transactions through end-to-end digital solutions, warehousing, cross-docking, and domestic and international freight forwarding.
Yello X is actually now at the forefront of technology, wherein we have a technology system that's now a complete supply chain solution. We can provide you seamless flow of information from the cell phone, and we will be able to actually push that information to you, and you can open that on demand. Our system is driven by homegrown people who developed it, Filipinos.
You can book, pay, ship, track, trace, EPOD, whatever. There's no more reason why they have to come physically, even to this space. If they don't show up here, it's even better. We want all of that should be our dream. And that can only be done through our digital transformation.
Their new building, named Yello X Technology and Logistics Center, or YXTLC, symbolizes the company's thrust on future-proofing as it utilizes a state-of-the-art smart building management system which controls building automation, an integrated locking system, human presence or motion sensors, and a smart fire detection alarm system. From a 10-foot shipping container to becoming a sustainable and eco-friendly space, Yello X has continued their interest to conserve and reuse resources and energy by using natural lighting and a solar photovoltaic system.
Why is it smart? I heard you asking our COO about it. No, here's just a laundry list of the building features, no, for your reference. We have our energy efficient measures. That's why we are considered a smart building. With the use of inverter air conditioning, we have an on-site grid-tie solar power system. We have our external shading devices for thermal comfort. Our insulated roof, our skylights are all natural lighting. We have also smart CO2 sensor, which is to address any unforeseen, the COVID and other related airborne type of disease. We have LED lighting, automated lighting controls, smart energy meters, and water. We have rainwater collection, which make it more sustainable in terms of there's a water supply restriction in this area. So we also have our own rainwater collection. We have our motion detected faucet, so there's no waste of water. And then we have aerators as well. And then our lighting fixtures are all motorized and sensorized. We can monitor it remotely. So those are just a few, but there's a lot more features that we have in this building as well. So that's why it's considered a smart building.
Yello X Supply Chain Solutions is a member of the Gothong Southern Group, which is at the forefront of using new technologies in its businesses and operations to provide the most customer-centric supply chain solutions to its partners. This has been Andrea Patania Matthew for MyTV Cebu.